them to share their experience, their view. Ma'am, so I would like to know your name, please.
Anugraha.
Okay, ma'am. So, what would you like to say after visiting this beautiful place? Because now we are in Hyderabad, and really it's a wonderful, beautiful moment for all of us. So, what would you like to say, ma'am?
It's a really nice place.
Very nice place. Your name, please.
My name is Gayatri.
Okay. So, what do you want to say about this place, with Charminar?
This is very beautiful and
Yeah.
they're preserving the Indian history.
Yeah.
And every student, every Indian will have to see this.
Okay, fine, fine. Ma'am, would you like to say something, ma'am?
It's really beautiful and it's really interesting too.
Okay, okay. So, as you saw, dear viewers, that it was really beautiful. These were students. So they were sharing their thought and they were telling the views. After coming here, they felt very good. Okay, so I'm going to meet another boy who came here to visit, and first I'll ask his name, and then he will tell what is the experience of